Hey everyone, thanks for giving this video a watch. I'm gonna take you along on this hike to the Upper Balls Falls in outside of St. Catharines. So this is in the Jordan area. Just going to do some waterfall photos. As you can see, there's no snow, so it's January in Canada and we don't have any snow here, but can't complain, there's no one around, so stay tuned. Yeah, that didn't really go as I planned. It was like super cold, my hands were frozen. The mist from the waterfall was just getting over everything. So my filter was like pretty wet. So I couldn't really show you guys like my camera setup or anything, but I will post the end photo. Maybe I'll do like behind the scenes kind of editing walkthrough just like I did on my last video. But stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the bell, and we'll catch you next time.